November 11th is World Origami Day. Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding. Just like origami, Pokemon also started in Japan. For this bookmark, you only need scissors, markers, glue, and a piece of yellow paper in any size. First, fold over one corner of your paper to create a triangle. Cut off the excess and set it aside. Rotate the triangle so it is pointing up. Fold the lower right corner up to meet the point at the top. Repeat for the left side, then fold these two back open. Fold down the front top corner. Now fold the flaps you created back up and tuck into your bookmark. Repeat for the other side. Fold the scrap from earlier in half and cut out two shapes similar to bunny ears. Next, use markers to add details to the face and ears. Finally, use a glue stick to attach the ears either straight up or you can make one a little crooked. That's it. Put it on the corner of a page to save your place while reading. Will you make a different Pokemon? Share a picture in our comments and I'll see you next time.